My name is Jake Daniels. I'm Regional Sales Manager with Alliance RV's Avenue Fifth Wheels and Delta Travel Trailers. And behind me is the all-new model year, this next generation of Avenue product, the 26RD, which is one of our best-selling all-access floor plans, coming in at 7,800 pounds dry, 28 feet, 10 inches long, and 1,350 pounds of hitch weight. This is a beautiful camper, and today we're gonna show you around. Let's get started. Picture yourself on a rainy day, playing games, eating dinner. Having this large dinette is very beneficial. Also, we have the atrium window system in our all access series. Gives you a beautiful panoramic view, and every one of them opens. 75-inch tall slide outs are not very common in the smaller fifth wheel world. We've been able to achieve that here in this 26RD, which gives you plenty of extra space, including a theater seat, which is directly across from the entertainment center. And one of the best parts, an oversized pantry. And for this model year, we've made a few updates, one of which we include an outlet, adjustable shelves, as well as a LED light strip with a motion sensor. Now, right next to this oversized pantry is your standard 10 cubic foot, 12-volt refrigerator. This unit particularly has the optional OTG package. In this case, you're gonna get a 320-watt roof-mounted solar panel and a 20-amp MPPT charge controller. Any certain types of camping, and we all know getting off the grid is becoming more and more common these days. Being able to offset that 12-volt power draw throughout the day is a beautiful benefit. In the kitchen area of the 26RD, right here we have a butcher block countertop extension next to the sink. Next to that is your 3-burner gas cooktop and a 30-inch microwave. And right next to this 30-inch microwave is the entertainment area. Now check this out. When we developed this floor plan, we wanted to increase the living space as much as possible. So we added a nice taper right here that leads you into the entry door. This is, again, going to give you a lot more interior space. You do have cabinet doors down here with, all new for this model year, those are all soft close hinges on every cabinet door. Right above that is your 40-inch LED smart TV, which is directly across from the entertainment center. We have a number of customer-driven features we've been using since day one, and we're still continuing to do so. That includes plumbing shutoff valves at every location, flush floor slides, reinforced drawers, no carpet whatsoever, no floor vents in the main room, as well as one feature I really want to show you today. It's right upstairs. It's called our benchmark chassis. Let's head on up and I'll show you. In the bathroom area of the 26RD, you're going to see epoxy countertops, a vanity right above the sink that includes a medicine cabinet, linen storage, a shower, and a porcelain foot flush toilet. 101 inches wide, paired with the flush floor, gives you so much more living space up here. And remember, this thing's not even 29 feet long, so maximizing that square foot is priority number one. With that extra width, you're gonna get so much more room on each side of the bed, as well as plenty of extra storage right up front. We were also able to incorporate a closet right up here in the bedroom. One last thing before we head outside for the exterior of this coach, we've updated our lighting system. This is all full 12-volt residential can style lighting. And of course, we're still including the full dimming capability. Before we move on to the updated exterior features of the Avenue product line, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Any information you need, feel free to comment below. We'll get you the information right away. We've made storage capacity a top priority for this next generation of Avenue. What that means is we've been able to increase our interior basement area by 25%. We've also made a few different updates as well. Typically, you'll see a felt board right up here on the front wall. We've done more of a toy hauler design like a coin floor. We've also added a 6-foot motion sense LED light bar, and you still have all of your cable connections. Perhaps one of the most user-friendly updates we've made this year is the evolution to our 60,000 BTU on-demand water heater. Underneath, we have a standard covered underbelly, which includes a heat duct as well as 12-volt tank heaters. That's gonna maximize your capability of getting out there on both ends of the season. Now, running gear. It's something that's often overlooked in the industry, but we've taken our time and developed it to make sure you have the most peace of mind in your travels. Your shackles are twice as thick as what you'll normally find out there. You also have welded V-bracket on your spring hangers, paired with Goodyear Endurance tires. This is the most stable ride, and again, offering you plenty of peace of mind in your travels. And an oversized grab handle, which is located directly below the 17-foot awning. We have a 13.5 air conditioner standard in the All Access series with an optional second AC. Now with that, you get a 50 amp power connection but in case you only have access to 30 amps and you have both of the air conditioners on your Avenue All Access series, you can still run both of those ACs off of a 30 amp service. The power connection is located right next to your mechanicals, and one of our best user-friendly features in terms of getting to your campsite and leaving is the location of the electronic auto leveling system. We put this on the outside right up front, just so you can have such a clear line of sight to your tow vehicle. On the rear wall of the Avenue 26RD, right up top, you'll see a 12-volt universal backup camera prep, as well as the standard 300-pound ladder. Right next to that is a spray port, and one of the most convenient features of this floor plan is the exterior baggage door. Typically, you're gonna find storage below the dinette that's only accessible from the inside. We thought about that and decided to make it accessible from the rear of the coach, give you much more separation and so much easier to gain access to the storage below that dinette. Thank you for taking the time as we covered the updates for the 2024 model year for Avenue brand, specifically this 26RD. If you have any questions or comments, get a hold of us in direct or just leave a comment down there. We'll get you the information you're looking for. We'll see you around. This is Jake Daniels signing off for now. Thanks. What's up? All right, here we go, buddy. The arsonist has oddly shaped feet. Okay. Okay, here we go, buddy. All right. Okay, let me get started here.
2, 1, action.
Hey, y'all want to buy any used cars? That's why we buy campers.
Ladders.
All right.
Here we have a beautiful ladder.
Yeah.
You ever seen these ladders before?
What's up?